Did you know that the percentage of industrial control systems blocking dangerous internet resources is on the rise globally? This vital shift could drastically enhance security in critical infrastructures by 2026. In today's video, we'll explore the latest developments in AI and technology. We'll dive into how colleges are reshaping STEM education to prepare the next generation, a new startup revolutionizing drone delivery in India, and how a new protocol could change global energy management. These advances matter because they shape our future in both education and essential services. So, let's get started. First up, let's discuss a significant report from Kaspersky published on August 25, 2026. The article titled "Threat Landscape for Industrial Automation Systems" highlights a crucial trend in cybersecurity. It notes an increase in the percentage of industrial control systems, ICS, that have blocked access to deny-listed internet resources across all regions. This surge is essential because ICS are the backbone of many critical infrastructures, including energy, transportation, and water supply systems. By enhancing their defenses, these systems are less vulnerable to cyber attacks, which have become more sophisticated and frequent. This proactive approach is crucial for national security and public safety. As we move forward, ensuring the integrity and security of these systems will be paramount. Next, we shift our focus to education. An article from Inside Higher Ed, also dated August 25, 2026, titled "5 Ways Colleges Are Reshaping STEM Education," reveals how institutions are evolving to meet the demands of a rapidly changing job market. Colleges are redesigning gateway courses to be more inclusive and effective, expanding hands-on learning opportunities, and creating new career paths tailored to emerging technologies. This is particularly important as the demand for skilled workers in STEM fields continues to grow. By making these changes, colleges are not just improving student outcomes, but also ensuring that the workforce is equipped with the skills necessary for a tech-driven future. This shift is crucial, as it will foster innovation and help maintain competitiveness in a global economy. Finally, let's talk about an exciting development in the startup world. Airbound, a Bengaluru-based company, recently raised $37 million in a Series A funding round, as reported by LiveMint on August 25, 2026. This funding will be used to expand their engineering and commercial manufacturing efforts as they build drone delivery networks across India. The potential for drone delivery is enormous, especially in densely populated or hard-to-reach areas. With the rise of e-commerce, this innovative solution could significantly reduce delivery times and improve logistics efficiency. As Airbound works to implement this technology, we could witness a substantial transformation in how goods are distributed, with far-reaching implications for convenience and accessibility. Now, let's summarize the key takeaways. First, the increase in ICS blocking deny-listed resources indicates a growing awareness of cybersecurity in critical infrastructures, as highlighted by Kaspersky on August 25, 2026. Second, colleges are actively reshaping STEM education to better prepare students for future careers, according to Inside Higher Ed. This is essential for fostering a skilled workforce in an increasingly tech-focused world. Lastly, Airbound's successful funding round signifies a promising future for drone delivery systems in India, which could revolutionize logistics and distribution. These insights paint a picture of a rapidly evolving landscape in technology and education. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and comment below. What do you think is the most exciting development in technology today? Let's hear your thoughts.